Welcome to our IBM RPGLE tutorial. Today, we'll dive into the Open Opcode and understand how it's used to manage file operations. Let's take a look at an example. Here, we have an RPG program that opens a file named emphdr for operations such as input, output, update, and delete. Here, the program starts by declaring file emphdr with specific attributes. The Open Opcode is used to explicitly open the file if it's not already open. If emphdr is not open, we see the message, emphdr is open for operation, displayed. The program then performs a chain operation to find a record with a specific key 0000001. If a record is found, it retrieves and displays the e-name. We observe name Manav Tripathi displayed on the screen after updating e-name. After updating e-name to Manav Tripathi and executing the update opcode, the message name updated confirms the successful update. Finally, the program closes the file using the close opcode, and emphdr is closed is displayed to indicate the file closure. And there you have it. The Open Opcode ensures that the file emphdr is properly opened for operations in this RPG program, allowing seamless read, update, and close operations. Thank you for watching our video tutorial on the IBM Open Opcode by Programmers.io. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more programming tips and tutorials. Happy coding!